This is Satya Pradyuman of Cirrus Research. I want to call your attention to the latest earnings playbook. In this report, we caution you on the upcoming or the ongoing earnings reporting season. The bottom line is that we believe that the downward guidance is likely to increase simply because of the margin pressures firms have begun to face. Some of this has already been in place with the margin pressure of the pandemic, given the supply chain issues, but that's gotten materially worse as we've noticed the rise in commodity prices have really stoked this concern because it's much more broad based than it was prior to the Ukraine invasion. Our point here is play defense, that the earnings season is likely to get noisy, especially with the guidance. And as a result, you're likely to really see more volatility around the reporting periods. One of the important things we tend to use is this work around the Bob Hagan work of earnings torpedoes and fallen angels. And what this diagram relates is really the quadrants of areas that we're focused on as firms report. So the idea is how can we become more preventative in this moment? And one of the things we're able to do is isolate better using some of the data that's traveling, the consensus numbers that are coming out on the companies, is to look for where the forecasts are notably aggressive. And at the same time, the sell side is especially confident. So that's the idea with this upper right quadrant where people love the company and they're sure. Those are areas that you really got to do your homework on in terms of this reporting season. Part two of this is that markets tend to overshoot. So for those firms that are disliked, where the forecasts are terribly weak, what we're looking for is a place where the consensus numbers have begun to consolidate. And now there's a lot more clarity and certainty around a weaker number. Potentially, that is really an opportunity in the making. This is a look at the report, earnings playbook. Again, they come out literally the early part of the earnings season and pretty much the beginning of the season. So take a look at it. There's some sample stocks that represents both of these bins, and we do a little bit of a deep dive. So take a look and call us with any questions. Thank you.